guys. Today we are going to prove that sine theta over 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. Take it from the left hand side. We have sine theta over 1 plus cos theta. From this side, we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 1 minus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta. Then we have sine theta over 1 minus cos theta over 1 times 1, we have 1. 1 times minus cos, we have minus cos theta. Plus cos, we have plus cos. Plus cos theta times 1, we have plus cos theta. Plus cos theta times minus cos theta, we have minus cos square theta. This cancels this. So we have sine theta into bracket 1 minus cos theta over 1 minus cos square theta. And so if we have not forgotten, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. So write sine theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta over sine square theta. So one sine cancel one sine. What we have left is 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. Proved. That is how we prove that sine theta over 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. Make sure if you find this video helpful, you can like and subscribe.